guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own labels at home with Canva. If you don't have Canva, you're late. It's really like old. I do have another editing app as well. I'm going to put you guys on like later on to make your own logos and stuff like that, but this is what we're going to be working with right here is Canva. So go ahead and pull up Canva really quickly, and you're also going to need Avery as well. We're going to get into that a little later. So go to canva.com and avery.com. so first you're going to need, one second, you're going to need these square labels right here. I got these from Amazon. I got these exact size right here, square labels, matte white. I did the matte because I didn't want to do the glossy. I should have did the glossy, but I don't know how that's going to work out with printing it at home and all that extra stuff. So this is what I got right here from Amazon, and it comes with 600 labels, and that is the code right there that you're going to type in on Avery, but we're going to get into that a little later. Okay, so first you're going to need a printer, a good printer. This printer was like, I don't know, a couple $100, and you see I got the labels already set up in the printer, so ready to go. Okay, so let me get over it. Jesus Christ. Okay, so you're gonna go to Avery, not Avery, Canva. You're gonna go to Canva and you're going to design. You're gonna go to Canva and you're gonna design your own template. So I'm gonna go over here to resize. Let me just blow this up a little bit so you guys can see. So this is what I got in. I got 1.5 inches, and this is the width I got to get these for these labels right here. You can adjust it to whatever size labels you get, and you know what I'm saying, do it that way however you want to do it, but this is what I got because of the size labels I got. Mine is 1.5 for 1.5, as you guys can see 1.5. Okay, so focus. Okay, now I designed this because I actually took this picture, believe it or not, with my iPhone, period. 12 Pro Max. You guys can take your own pictures. Like, well, this one I, got from somewhere, but I took this one and I took this one. So I felt like it would be like a good background for like my labels, and it'd be really cute. So I tried to put my logo in there and I tried to make it stand out. I put like some bold letters on there or whatever. I put the words like so you can see it, like if you guys get what I'm saying, like if you guys can see. Let me see how it looks on the label. You can really see it and really read it. I didn't want it to be to where like you couldn't read it at all, so I just did white letters and stuff like that instead of doing colored letters. I could try to see, let's see real quick what color should I do. So to change the color, let's see, I think I should do like a orange color. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about that orange color? I don't know, maybe a yellow color. Yeah, what about that? That'll be weird though. That'll be really weird because it's already like a lot of yellow in the back. So I could change that back to white, and then, or I could do like the no, that's not gonna work. Even if I did pink, like I don't like how that looks. That's too dark. That blends a lot. I feel like the white pops. What y'all think? Tell me in the comments. But anyway, enough of that. So once you have your little, label design how you want it. These are my 3 ones. I only printed out this one so far. So I'm probably going to, I guess I could do a real life demonstration for you guys. I guess I can print out this one right here. So I haven't printed this one out. So you're going to go to Avery or whatever. You're going to, hold on, I'm going to go all the way back. So you're going to choose the template. Let's see. So you're going to type in this number right here. So we're going to type in a number. It says 22805. Okay. So this one right here. Select this template. Is it focusing? Hold on. Okay, cool. Select this design. You're going to do a blank one because you're going to customize it yourself. Once you save, hold on, wait. Y'all know how to save now. Come on now, it's not rocket science. Y'all know how to save. Hold on, wait. Download. I'm going to download as PNG and then just do download, okay? So once you download that, you're going to upload your own image. We're going to browse our files. Let me see, because I don't know my files. Oh, it's already up. Period. It's already up. Yeah, so my file's already up. So I said I'm going to do that one. I'm going to upload it. And I'm just going to kind of stretch it out to make it fit. I want mine to actually peel off because I like the way that looks. Like when it's printed out, because when I did it like to fit all the way in the square, it had like a white border. So this is what I like right here. I just stretched it out a little bit, but you can see everything. The words are not, you know, running off the end or anything. It's still in the safe zone. So once you do that, I'm gonna review and print it yourself. Blah blah blah. Download as a PDF. Save to your account. Okay. Downloads the PDF, so it's gonna pop right up. So yeah, it's real easy. I hope I didn't do it too fast. So the way my printer is set up, I gotta connect to it manually. Like, I don't know what happened with the Wi-Fi and all the extras. So you're gonna click print. So this is where it gets a little tricky. So that's my label printer right there, and this is my regular printer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to media and quality. And I'm doing a rear tray, but I'm going to change the paper to what is it? Photo paper, matte photo paper. That's what we're gonna do. I think. Hold on, wait. Am I tripping? Hold on, wait. Photo paper, yeah, because I did photo paper every time. What did I do last time? I think I did that one. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here to the printer, and now we're going to change the settings on here. So print on set paper. Let's see. My printer is slow as hell. I'm just letting y'all know that now. Like, this is gonna take forever, but yeah. We're gonna watch it print. And I changed my house around, y'all. I changed my living room around. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour or whatever. I haven't gave you guys a full tour. I gotta, you know, straighten up a little bit. All my business stuff is on the floor. Like, just look. Fix it, Jesus. We're gonna get that together. But yeah, hurry up. My printer is so slow. This printer cost me a pretty penny. And it's slow. It is so slow. Like, look how, bro. But anyway, so this is how these look. I'm just gonna give you guys a little close look. I'm gonna give you guys a little close up. So you see how, like, it's kind of like off the edge a little bit. Hold on, let me see. Show you guys one that I already peeled off. You see? But I like it like that because I wanted it like that. Because it's like that. But it's cute though. The little squares with the little flowers and stuff on it. That's still cute. But anyway, yeah. Oh my god. Y'all see 30 minutes later. But yeah, y'all. So it's really easy. All you have to do is get this from Amazon. I think this is like less than $15 if I'm not mistaken. I want to link it, but I don't know. I don't know if I should link it. They be tripping. But yeah. So it's that easy, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See, it's just now coming out. We're gonna see how it's, we're gonna see what it's giving. Oh my god. An hour later. I'm trying to listen to some drama. Hurry up. No, for real. Should I teach you guys how to make your own business cards? I don't know. I made these. These were, I just put these together. I don't know if I like these though. I make all my own stuff, but I don't know. What y'all think? What y'all think about that? For my clothing brand. My clothing brand, I made these myself. I felt like they were cute at the time, but I want to change the front now. What y'all think? It's cute, right? I don't know. I make all my own stuff. We save money that way. Okay, so yeah, like this is what it's giving. I don't know if I like that. I might change that background. I might have to take another picture. I don't know what I would do though for lavender, like a real life lavender, like a leaf. Like that would be cute, right? Yeah, but what's the background gonna be like, you know? I don't know. I just had to do like a bowl of lavender, I guess. Get a whole bunch of lavender leaves, even if it's fake. Yeah, I can just get some fake ones like these. I made this too, guys, by myself. It was hard. It was real hard, but I did it. Okay, this will be given. Ooh. So you can't see the letters and all that good stuff. I don't know if I like that, but we're gonna see what it gives once we put them on the bottle. So we put these on glass bottles for our hair growth oils and stuff like that. And we're gonna be yeah, we're gonna be making labels for a lot of stuff. Like when we do when we bring our lip scrubs back and stuff like that, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make those labels as well. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Again, this is what we got for these labels right here. They do have bigger sizes, they do have smaller sizes, but I do recommend you just keep it at this size, because any smaller, shit, what you gonna be able to see. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys do want me to show you guys how to make your own business cards and stuff like that, and where to get them for the low, I'm talking about cheap, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.